Gitea versus Forgejo. Which self-hosted Git platform is better 2025? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's just directly jump onto the video. So Gitea is lightweight and efficient, like consumes 150 to 300 MB RAM even with active use, and rich integration like built-in CI/CD actions, package registries, webhooks, two-factor authentication, broad platform support, and easy deployment via Docker, Raspberry Pi, etc., and ideal for self-hosting or small teams, offering core functionality with minimal fuss. And the drawbacks are less responsive to community contributions, now governed by a low profit limited, and security updates delayed, like historically slower than Forgejo, closed core silence, some features and trademarks are proprietary, and as for the Forgejo, it's community driven fork, like faster security fixes and testing, implements end-to-end and upgraded tests, and proactive vulnerability patches, non-profit governance, feature divergence like supports coaches, Forge Federation, and custom CI runner, and strong community growth, like 232 unique contributions in first year versus 153 for Gitea. And the drawbacks are hard fork, breakage risk, and documentation still catching up, like some UI elements still reference Gitea, and accessibility issues in some UI components due to reliance on formatic UI. And so which is better? So you can choose Forgezo if you value community-led governance and open source purity, want faster security patches, newer features, and quotas, are ready to migrate from Gitea, preferably version 1.22 or older. And you can choose Gitea if you want a lightweight, reliable self-hosted Git solution, prefer stability and minimal migration risk, are okay with a for-profit steward and slower update cycles. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.